Hey guys, this week we are doing two small projects. We're gonna do a set of small steps and then a piece out of a driveway where water's getting into the garage, so we have to just tear that out and redirect the water the right direction. Stick around for the tear out, the prep, the pour on both those projects. It's starting to get cold now. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. All right, guys, there it is. Torn out. So this was flowing at a 1% grade into the garage and a little bit into that corner. Now we're going from this corner to here, 2%. So this should just draw the heck out of the water all this way for sure. And we dug this out a little bit so water wouldn't just crash there and puddle. So we got somewhere to go. But there it is, guys. See you in a few days at the pour. We're gonna get another job ready first and then pour this one. Bye, guys.
Porque es que este cemento si se reseca queda más feo.
All right, guys, first pour of the week is done. We poured it about a 2-3 slump, really dry. It's in the shade. We got cold weather coming up. I don't want this to take too long to set up. We poured it with 1% calcium, which is fine since we're using fiberglass rebar. But there it is, guys. Before, this was sloping in that way, and then it would hit like this little lip. Now from that corner this way, we got about a 2%, here even more. So water is going to draw into here. Customer's going to do something here. But there it is, guys. So see you in 2 days at the next pour. Thanks for stopping by, guys. All right, guys, there it is. The other small little pour done. I didn't even have to really be involved in it. There's a nice little set of steps. Came out really, really sweet. We're very happy with it. Customer was too. Shouldn't go anywhere. So next week we should be doing a small garage kind of barn pour. It'll be indoors, so I don't really have to worry about cold. But there it is, guys. 2 jobs up, 2 jobs down. We got them knocked out. They were little and we really enjoyed them. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for leaving us a like. Don't forget to leave us a subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Bye.